Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make more money from every wedding you film with zero extra editing required on your part. This is an upsell that can add an extra $300 and it's basically passive income. Here's the deal. I've made a lot of tutorials giving business advice to wedding filmmakers over the years, making recommendations on whether you should sell raw footage to your couples, why you should offer drone coverage, how filming rehearsal dinners can get you an extra $1,000 to $2,000. But all of this requires a lot more work on your part, buying a lot of extra gear, traveling early, editing more videos. You'll make more money, but you'll also have to do more work. But here's where things get cool, because a company recently reached out to me that offers an upsell for wedding filmmakers, and this upsell requires zero extra gear, zero extra work, and it pays for itself literally 10 times over with just one wedding. This company is called CrowdReel, and they're sponsoring this video because I believe that they make something that genuinely makes sense for wedding filmmakers to offer. And here's how it works. You book a wedding and you go film it just like you normally would, but in the process, you offer your couple an upsell, a new package add-on where your couples can print out QR codes and put signs around their wedding ceremony and reception. And whenever the guests scan these QR codes, they will take them to an online gallery where the guests can upload photos and videos that they've taken from the wedding. There's even an option and prompt for them to record a heartfelt best wishes video for the couple, which people love to do. And no, the guests don't have to download a separate app. They can do it all through their phone's web browser. CrowdReel handles all of the hosting and gallery, so you don't really have to do any work aside from telling the couple about the add-on. Plus, you have full control. You can allow the guests to just upload photos or photos and videos. Heck, you can charge more for the videos option if you wanted to. Look, we both know that wedding guests are going to still be taking photos and videos of the ceremony and reception, even if you try to make it unplugged. So why aren't we as videographers monetizing that instead of just being annoyed by it? According to CrowdReel statistics, wedding guests are uploading over 500 photos and videos per wedding. And I have filmed weddings where couples have QR codes like this, and I can confirm that it works. Heck, even I scanned the code and uploaded some behind the scenes photos and video clips that I'd shot with my phone, and I heard back from the mother of the bride a few days after the wedding saying how great it was. So if you are worried about your couples not wanting to pay extra for this, if you frame it as an opportunity for your couples to get an extra 500 plus candid moments from their guest organized in a gallery one day after their wedding, it basically sells itself. By you being able to pitch to your couples that they will be able to have all of those extra photos and videos instantly versus having to bug all their friends and family members to send them to them or scouring Facebook and Instagram hoping that they get uploaded and tagged, CrowdReel makes it so easy to do. Even better, you as the videographer now have access to this entire pool of raw, candid moments from the wedding. Sure, a lot of the video clips are going to be shaky and vertical, but you could easily insert a few of them into the wedding video because a lot of couples love seeing these raw moments like this. Or you could repurpose these clips as Instagram Reels or TikToks that you could post the day after the wedding, giving your couples instant moments that they will love to watch and share with their family and friends. I have lost track of the amount of times that I've been filming the dance floor and people start busting out some crazy moves, but a guest is obscuring my view and I see another guest is filming that moment with their phone, and I wish that I could have that angle, and CrowdReel now lets you get that angle. Instead of having just 1 second shooter, you could have 200 at a wedding. We are literally talking about 5 to 10 minutes of work on your part for you to make a lot more money. Now, I know that I said that you could make $300 at the start of this video because that's the average that most wedding videographers are charging to use this service. But because the profit margins are so high, there's really a range where this makes sense. Anywhere from $200 on the lower end if you have a more budget conscious couple, or if you're filming a higher end wedding where the couple's spending hundreds of thousands of dollars in the event, you could easily charge $500 to $600 for it. Or if it's a multi-day wedding, you could charge even more. Alternatively, you could also bundle CrowdReel into one of your higher end premium videography packages where you don't sell it separately, but if your couples are willing to spend more to get a longer film, they will also get CrowdReel as a benefit as well. What I love about CrowdReel is that this isn't necessarily a new concept. I've filmed weddings before where the couple went out and made some QR codes leading to a Dropbox folder that the groom set up so the guests could do something similar. But CrowdReel is really the first version of this business that is targeting wedding filmmakers and really making it extremely easy for us to offer it as an upsell to our couples. It's also white labeled on every plan, meaning that whenever couples scan that QR code to upload their photos, they see your company name, your logo. They associate everything with you. CrowdReel just provides the back-end hosting and gallery. So how much is this going to cost you? Like I said, it's really cheap for you to implement. CrowdReel starts at just $29 per month if you want to try it out with one event per month. Like I said earlier, you can literally charge your couples $300 for this and get back 10 times what you paid for with just one wedding. Personally, I would highly recommend their $49 per month option, which adds a lot more features like the video message we talked about earlier, plus more events per month, as well as a white glove option where you can handle setting up the QR code signs for the couples yourself, which I would definitely recommend charging more for. Speaking of charging, I also have a deal for you because I asked CrowdReel nicely if they could hook my viewers up, and here's what they gave me. Use my link down in the description to sign up, and then use the coupon code MATT30 for 30% off your first year of CrowdReel. This gives you even more profit with every wedding you offer this service, and it's a great deal. You could literally charge for CrowdReel at one wedding and fully cover your costs for a year. So go check out CrowdReel at the link down in the video description. They have a full demo that you can try out for free that lets you fully see how you as a filmmaker will see the back end of CrowdReel, as well as how your couples will experience using it as well. And I know you're going to love it as much as I do. Also, while you're down in the video description, I'll link to my edit videos like a pro guide. This guide is going to show you my biggest rules that I follow as a video editor to create better videos. It's completely free for you to download, and it's linked in the video description. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see more videos to help you make more money as a filmmaker, and have a great day.